Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you a stitch. This stitch tutorial I did on my other crochet YouTube channel. The link for this tutorial, for this stitch, is gonna be below this this video, and I will pin the link on the comment section. For those of you that you are beginners, this is a very easy stitch. This is worked with 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. I did a smaller sample with 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I did another sample with somewhat thicker yarn, which is what this yarn recommends that I should work with 4.0 and 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. So this is the sample with a thicker yarn for a winter blanket, but this one for a cardigan, for, well, even a summer scarf with a thinner yarn. I think this is nice. Baby blankets, I think this is very cute stitch. You can give it a try. This is the back of the work. It's a little bit bumpy, and this is the front. So you can do infinity scarves, baby blankets. This is really thin for a summer cardigan or a summer blanket for babies. Yeah. So if you like to watch this, to see this stitch tutorial, go to my other YouTube channel, Scorpio Rising. Click on the link below this video, and you will see it will take you there to the tutorial. 2 rows repeat, very easy, goes really fast, and it builds really fast, especially if you work with a thicker yarn. Yeah, it's really nice, this stitch. I think for you guys, my subscribers on Natty Crochet, I think I'm gonna take a break from posting on this channel, Natty Crochet. Maybe I will start posting stitches or whatever tutorials from August, September. But until then, all the stitches that I'm gonna do or projects, I'm gonna put on Scorpio Rising. So if you want, you can subscribe to Scorpio Rising, and you will see what other stitches, because I don't have the same stitches on Natty and Scorpio Rising. YouTube doesn't allow that. So I have different stitches on Scorpio Rising than what you see on Natty Crochet. So this is it. This is the stitch. Very easy, very beautiful for you guys, the beginners, or even if you're advanced and you want a easy, relaxed stitch. I think this is nice. Look at this. This is cute. And you can do so many variations with this. If you want a little bit more open work, you can do so many things. Yeah. So go to the tutorial and see if you agree with this stitch or you find something to do. Yeah. This here I started directly from the chain. I explained to you in the tutorial, if you want 1 row of single crochet, what to do. Yeah. And then you start with this these clusters. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.